Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you've never seen this gorgeous face before, hi, my name is Oluwafunsho, but on this YouTube channel page I go by the name Olu. I'm going to be following step by step another YouTuber's video, makeup video. So the YouTuber I'm going to be following today is TAILORMADEJANE. I just love her looks. I just think they're just amazing, and it's quite fascinating. I've seen her technique of foundation, of like, you know, full foundation before, but it's not something I've ever really tried before. I always shy away from trying something new, so I thought, you know what, today is the day and we will try it. Okay, I am following her video that's basically her highlights and contour for beginners, because look, I need it. Okay, so I'm going to be following her step by step. Okay, so I'm going to be watching the video and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so she's going in with a primer. First of all, I'm going to go in with a mattifying primer. Okay, so she put it on her nose. I'll go back in her forehead. Where else did she put it? Okay, and here. Okay, so she focused mostly on the nose and a little bit on the forehead. I'm using a mattifying primer. Let's put it under her eyes. Okay, let's pause. So she's going in with her foundation now. I'm going to take mine as well, and she's using a flat brush as well. Oh, Father Lord. Oh, she doesn't use a lot of foundation. Okay, cool. Let's go back in 1, 2, 3, and then she goes up here as well. Now the thing is, my foundation dries real quick, so I don't know. Then she goes to the side of her nose and she brings it down. Oh my god, what am I doing? I hope I'm doing this right. And then she goes on the forehead like that. Oh my god, my foundation is already drying. This is bad. Okay, so she's going with a really light shade for concealer. Oh god, and she's putting that right in here like so. Okay, so she does this in reverse. Okay, so one, yeah, and then she goes like this. Yeah. Okay, and then she goes in with another one. Not too much. And she's just continuing it off. Is that right? Am I doing this right? Oh. Okay. Okay. So she does it like that. I took it up a bit too much, but it's cool. So she does the nose. And then she does right here. Oh my god, you guys, this is recipe for disaster already. So she's going in with a contour. Okay, pause. And then she does the sides here, here. Oh my god, this is recipe for disaster. And then, oh, that's really dark, girl. That is really dark. Okay, quick, it's gonna dry. It's gonna look really bad, even worse than it already is. Okay, I've done along the nose. Okay. Oh my god, my foundation is dried up, so we're tapping. My foundation is dried. Oh my god, my foundation is dried. Okay, we're tapping everywhere we put the foundation. Honey, I need a lot more foundation. This is dried off, girl. Oh Jesus, this is the wrong foundation. Okay, do you know what? Hold on, wait for me. Hold on now, hold on, I'm coming. Okay. Oh, this is so patchy. Next time I'm going to use a hydrating foundation. This one is not it at all. Okay. What happened to the chin? I didn't see any foundation on the chin. Okay, wait. Let's just pat it first. Let's concentrate on this foundation that has dried up. First of all, okay. Oh, this is hella patchy. Oh, this is so patchy. It's ridiculous. What's she doing next? Quick, because this is dried. This is dried. It is dry. What's she doing? Okay. We're just tapping it. Cool. We tapping it. Okay. Hold up. I'm not finished tapping it. Hold on. Okay. We tapping it. Ooh, we tapping it. Okay. chin. Girl, I'm sorry, but I gotta do my chin. There's nothing on the chin. You didn't show me what to do on the chin. Oh, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Sis, you didn't tell me about... Oh, sis, you didn't tell me. You did not tell me. She actually has something on her chin and she did not tell me. She did not tell me. She refused to let that information go. She did not tell me about that. She did not tell me. She did not tell me. She did not tell me. She did not tell me about the chin. I only just found out about the chin just now. She did not tell me. 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 Going back in, putting them all back in, all the areas that I took off. She did not tell me. She did not tell me. She did not tell me. Okay. So we're blending the contour now. Pause. Okay. Okay. What are we doing next, sis? My foundation is drying. Everything is drying. It's looking real patchy. Okay. So you take your foundation brush and you go back down at the bottom. Okay, sis. Okay. Okay, pause, pause, pause. Let's do it on both sides. Okay, sis. Okay. Highlight is drying. It's drying. What do we do? Okay, we blended the contour on the forehead too. She didn't show that, but that's cool. I'm guilty of that as well. Okay. So blend, blend, blend. Okay. Oh, do you know what? We're just gonna have to make it work, okay? It's already drying. It's already drying, sis. It's drying. I need to refresh it. I need to refresh it. It's really, really drying. Okay, so brush like this. And we're blending. Oh my God, sis. This is dried. It's really patchy, sis. Sis, mine is drying though. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so it's meant to be, okay, it's meant to do that. Okay, she said it's meant to do that. Okay, cool. So we're blending this out now. Okay, okay, okay. I see what you mean. So she said when it comes to blending out the concealer, by the time you're blending out, the foundation is already dried, so it's easy to blend. Okay, I see your technique. Okay, okay. I'm not mad. Okay. Okay, so now we're doing this side first. Okay. Alright. Let me see how she blends it out. Okay. I'm sorry I doubted you. Okay. Oh, ooh, okay, okay. Oh, sorry, girl. I didn't know. I should have waited to the... Oh, okay, let's go. Okay, it's drying. It's drying. Come on, girl. Okay. Come on. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're blending out the darker one first. Okay, so what do we do next, sis? What do we do? The eyelid is still bare. The eyelid is still bare, sis. What we doing? Oh, okay. We're lifting up the nose. Oh, okay. So we're moving to blending out the contour on the nose, and we're tapping. Okay, let me pause this and concentrate on the tapping motion that she just said. Ooh, too dark. Okay, and then she goes in to blend the nose contour. Is that it? Yeah. So, okay, we're going in. It's like looking full coverage. Okay. Thank you, sis. Praise Lord Jesus. She puts one dot. Oh crap, she used the lighter one. Sugar. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got this. I can fix this. Oh crap. I can't fix this. I can't fix this. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, hold on, sis. Pause. Let me blend this out first. So she blends out the concealer. And then she takes a hand to... So she left that on actually, and she went on to setting the other, the blended side. Okay, let's put all the brush away. Okay. Okay. She does it and then. Okay. Oh, I see what she means. Okay. Okay. I see what she means. Okay. Okay. I see what she means. Okay. Okay, so she takes a little bit and put it right on the eye. I think that's what she did. It's kind of dry, but I think that's what she did. Okay. 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 Okay, so we are going and we're setting the contour. So. Okay, so you tap it on first and then you blend it out. That's all with, okay, so that's the only place we put in the recipe. Yeah. Okay, pause, let me sweep. Sis, you didn't tell me! She did something else, you guys. She did something else. You didn't tell me, I only just realized it myself. We're taking it and we're putting it on our brows. So we're doing brows now. Okay, cool. She is using she's not using a pencil, but I'm gonna use a pencil because that's what I have. So let me see. Brows filled in. Let's see what she does next. So she's using the same brush that she used for the blush. Oh crap, I messed up. Okay, so we're tapping and wait, whatever. It is what it is. Because I actually use this brush to contour as well. I'm good. I'm not tapping anymore. I'm good. What next? Okay, so now we're going to clean up our brows, something that matches our skin. And then she took it all over our the eyelid as well. Just like blending seamlessly, the way hers does. And I'm gonna take blending brush. And then she goes in to set our eye with the spray bottle and spray. I don't have anything that she has, so. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I messed up with that. Anyway, we move on, okay? We move on. So now it's mascara time. Mascara is now on. What are we doing next, sis? Tell me. So we're lining up our lips very lightly. So okay, she didn't tell me what she did, but she said she's keeping the lip pretty neutral. She didn't tell me what she did. I'm gonna put on a whole bunch of lips together to make it look similar. Going on to putting on her lashes, which I am going to do now as well. Oh, okay, and she snapped her fingers and boom, everything was done. It's actually a pretty good, interesting video for me to shoot. It was quite fun. I I actually really did enjoy myself filming this video. Well, I don't know who else I'm going to try and follow the tutorial. If you guys have any suggestions, or if there's anyone in particular or any particular video that you guys want me to follow, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'd be very much happy. I'm very much open to trying out other YouTubers and the video and following it step by step. So do let me know. I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you. I love you. Bye.